In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zolve account. Let's walk through the entire process from first click to your first login so you know exactly what to expect. Start by heading to the official Zolve website or downloading the Zolve app from your app store. Verify you're on the legitimate page by checking the padlock icon in your browser and the publisher details in the app store. When you're ready, open the app or site and look for the option to sign up or create an account. Begin registration by entering the basic prompts on screen. You'll typically select your country and agree to the terms and privacy policy. Take a moment to glance through them so you understand how your data is used. Next, provide your personal details. This usually includes your legal name, date of birth, a working email address, and a mobile number that can receive codes. Create a strong, unique password and store it safely. Double-check spellings. Your name must match your ID to avoid verification delays. You'll now verify your identity. Expect an email or SMS code to confirm your contact information. For Know Your Customer checks, you may be asked to scan a government-issued ID and take a quick selfie. Use good lighting, remove hats or glasses, and make sure the details on your ID are clearly visible. Choose the account type that fits your needs. Depending on availability in your region, you may see options oriented toward everyday banking, savings, or cross-border use. Read the brief description so you pick the right product from the start. If you're opening a US-based account, there may be a few extra fields to complete, such as a valid residential address and other eligibility information required by regulations. Enter accurate details and keep any requested documents handy to speed things up. When your profile is approved, fund your account. You can typically add money by linking an external bank, using a debit card, or initiating a transfer. Check the estimated arrival time and any fees before you confirm, and start with a small amount if you're testing the connection. You can optionally apply for a Zolve credit card from within the app. Review the eligibility criteria, rates, and fees carefully, and only proceed if it makes sense for your budget and goals. Finally, set up security. Turn on two-factor authentication, enable biometric login if your device supports it, and configure transaction alerts. Log out on shared devices and keep your app updated. That's it. Your Zolve account is ready to use. Explore your dashboard, customize settings, and you're good to go.